Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link Google Authenticator to OKX. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in OKX, just click on the sign up option on the upper right corner. And from here, just provide your business or working email, or you can simplify the process by clicking on the Google account, your Facebook account, Telegram account, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Now, once you are here linking Google Authenticator to OKX, a cryptocurrency exchange platform offers several benefits because number one, Google Authenticator adds an extra layer of security to your OKX account by requiring a time-based one-time password or OTP in addition to your username and password. Obviously, this significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access to your account, as even if someone obtains your login credentials, they would also need access to your mobile device to generate the authentication code. Now, linking Google Authenticator app here is a very straightforward and easy process. All you have to do is just hover to the upper right corner of your dashboard right here and click on Security. And from here, as you can see, you need to hover down to the Authenticator app and click on Setup. Now, as you can see, this is how you can set up the Authenticator app. You can link any Authenticator app to your OKX account. Now, if you don't have one yet, just download the Authenticator app by scanning the QR code below or by searching it on the App Store or Google Play. Now, you might want to also install the Authenticator app on the Chrome Web Store as an extension. And from here, it can generate two-factor authentication codes in your browser. Authenticator generates two-factor authentication or 2FA codes in your browser and use it as an extra layer of security to your online accounts. Now, once you've set all that, we need to go back to our OKX and then just click on the next option here. Now, as you can see, you need to write down your setup key somewhere safe to recover your Authenticator app in case you lose access or change your phone, which is this unique code right here. All right, I'm going to do that, and if you're still following, just copy that in a safe place, and let's go back to the next step, which is save your setup key, and number 3 is security authentication. All right, remember, linking your Google Authenticator to your OKX account can have a greater peace of mind knowing that your account is better protected against unauthorized access. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.